In this second video about design ideas on how to customize a Royal Enfield Classic 350, we use the same 2022 spec Classic as the base bike, but this time we want to modify the bike into a custom bobber. We start again with the base bike, a spec 2022 Royal Enfield Classic 350. Again, we remove the original rear fender, rear turn signals, the license plate holder and the tail light. But this time we also remove the original rear fender brackets. Same as before, in the next step, we remove the original mirrors, which we will replace later with new handlebar clip-on mirrors. We also remove again the front turn signals and the side reflectors on the lower fork. Now it's time to remove the front fender and fender brackets, as well as the original seat and the seat brackets. The original tires are getting replaced again with Firestone Deluxe Champion Cycle Classic motorcycle tires. Next, we need to remove the upper frame rear holding grips. Now it's time to install the bobber style vintage Braun lower seat. In the next step, we replace the original clutch and alternator covers with metal polished versions on both sides. The fuel tank gets some design update with a new tank badge design, and gas tank knee pads. We also update the design on the side covers, left and right. Now we add and install integrated handlebar front turn signals. The little front headlight cover gets painted black. We also black paint the lower part of the front fork. The original handlebar grips will be replaced with vintage Braun ones to match the Braun seat cushion. And as mentioned earlier, we install drop-down black clip-on mirrors. Instead of the original rear fender, we install a shorter aftermarket one. There are several bolt-on kit options available, which do not require any modification and fit the original frame. The original taillight gets replaced with a new teardrop taillight. And we also install new bullet-style aftermarket rear turn signals. Now the original front fender gets replaced with a shorter aftermarket one. Same as on the rear, there are a lot of bolt-on kit options available. The next step, same as before, will require some metal work as we are shortening the original exhaust and install a new oval exhaust end ring. And the front of the exhaust system, we wrap again with black Thermo-Tech exhaust wrap tape. Time to see how the bike would look like in a different color. For that we switch first to the OEM chrome bronze color option. And let's also check out how it would look in the available chrome red. To match the red color better, we switch the shortened original exhaust to a slightly longer chrome version 1. And finally, for now, we switch the black OEM wheels to the OEM chrome versions. This concludes today's design ideas and modifications of the Royal Enfield Classic 350 into a custom bobber. Please also check out our other video about the Royal Enfield Classic 350 and design ideas to make it into a custom cruiser. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.